Hello everybody, I'm Rob Smith with Trinity 918 Designs, where we specialize in landscape lighting and hardscape lighting for your home and businesses. So thank you for joining us today on our channel. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of choosing the correct bulb for your landscape lighting system. I also want to talk to you a little bit about the differences between going to a big box store and buying a bulb or buying it from your local landscape lighting professional. So first, we want to talk about the old school halogen bulbs. These are the bulbs that have been around for 20, 30 years, and we don't use these bulbs anymore. We use LED style bulbs like this. The reason we changed is for two main reasons. They get really, really hot and they're very inefficient. So this is a 50-watt halogen bulb for an uplight, and this is a 5-watt bulb LED bulb for an uplight. They will put off the exact same amount of light. The problem is this one doesn't get hot at all, and this one gets very hot. This 5-watt bulb consumes so much less energy. It's going to be much more efficient, better on your electric bill, but we can put so many more bulbs and fixtures on a transformer. So if you have a 200-watt transformer, you're only going to be able to put 4 light fixtures on your system, where you're going to be able to do 20 of the LED bulbs. So LED is just so much more efficient and the best way to go. But now if we're talking about the differences between going to a big box store or going to a landscape lighting professional, here's kind of what you're going to find. If you go to a big box store, this bulb is made out of solid plastic, and the prongs are just steel. They're not stainless steel, so they're going to rust over time. But the plastic fins on this, they don't dissipate any heat. So these bulbs are going to run much warmer than one with an aluminum housing. These aluminum housings, not only are they built better, they're going to last longer, but since they can dissipate the heat, they're probably going to last 3 to 4 times longer. They use much better LEDs as well. This particular bulb has 3 LEDs inside, where the big box store has 1. And this is a 5-watt bulb. The 8-watt bulbs go up to 6 LEDs. So they're going to get much better array of light for you. Also, more importantly, is we have adjustability with these type of bulbs. When you buy a bulb from a commercial or a professional landscape lighter, you're going to be able to choose 3 watts, 5 watts, 7, 8 watts. So you can determine how far you want that light to throw. But you can also buy a different array. So you can get 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So you can tailor it to the spot you're trying to light up. And that's going to make the landscape lighting job look so much better when you can have the particular bulb you need for each area. So that's a very important fact. If you're talking about pathway lights, these are the 2 type of bulbs that we use for pathway lights. This is a big box store light, which is solid plastic and rubber. And this one is solid aluminum and polycarbonate. And so this one uses 15 LED chips. And this is going to give you about 10 feet of light around a whole pathlight bulb. This has only got 2 LED chips, 1 on each side. And so you're probably going to get 4 to 5 feet of light coming off of this little light on a pathway light. So you're going to need 2 pathway lights to give you the same amount of light as one with a professional series bulb. And so these are the best reasons I can tell you on why to buy your bulbs from a professional landscape lighting supplier versus a big box store.